Hi everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel of McRae's Window Cleaning. We're based right here in Brisbane, Australia, and this is part 2 of the series of Squeegee rubber for your traditional tools. And in this video we're going to discuss cost, what it costs to buy the rubber, but some factors to keep in mind when making decisions. So stay tuned. So let's talk about the cost. As I mentioned in the introductory video, I visited Window Cleaning World last week and came back with some different squeegee rubber that I'm going to try and over the next few weeks and give you my research on what really works. So in this video we want to talk about what it costs to buy that rubber and factors to consider. So the 4 squeegee rubbers that we're going to discuss is firstly the Younger Green, the Facelift Razor Red. We're going to look at the Black Diamond and a new Wagtail rubber called the Wagtail Black. And those are the 4 that we're going to compare in the effectiveness, and that may influence your decision as to what you use in your traditional tools. So let's think about firstly what they cost. So the Younger Green is only available in 18-inch lengths. For one 18-inch length, $9.65 Australian, including goods and services tax, GST. So that's quite an expensive rubber. That's the most I've ever paid for an 18-inch length of rubber. For the Facelift Razor Red, which, as you know from my channel, has been a favourite of mine for a number of years. I first got from the UK, from Window Cleaning Warehouse, and I buy it in long 36-inch lengths. So what does that cost? Well, a 36-inch length is cheaper than the green, the Younger Green of $9.65 for 18-inch. A 36-inch length is $8.25. So you effectively, let's compare them, apples with apples, as the saying goes. It's $4.12 for an 18-inch length as opposed to $9.65. You can see the costs here next to me on my left-hand side. Is that my left-hand side? On my left-hand side. Now the Wagtail Black, that is $5.40 for an 18-inch length. The Black Diamond is the cheapest, is about the cheapest, at $4.20 for an 18-inch length. Now with the Wagtail, that of course comes in a bag, 1.2 pieces of 1.4 meters length. You get 2.8 in a bag. The Black Diamond comes, as you know, Black Diamond comes in the together, and you can just peel it apart. So they come in a variety of lengths from Window Cleaning World. So they're the costs to buy that rubber and to use. Now, factors to consider. If the squeegee rubber that you're using is wearing out fast, if the corners are wearing much quicker, then has it been cost effective? If you're having to change your squeegee rubber, switch it around, put new rubber in every couple of days, where maybe another rubber that costs you more, it's lasting the full week, then what is the most effective rubber? Well, that's for you to decide. And so this series will help us to see just what it looks like after a week. How does it measure up? How it's standard? So they're the things that I've taken into consideration with regard to cost. Now in the next video, I'm going to discuss with you how they work in the variety of tools. What tools did I use them in? What's my report after week 1, week 2, week 3? They're things that you can look forward to in this series of window cleaning rubber, getting the most out of your traditional tools. So we look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share it with the big wide world. But we look forward to seeing you again. In the meantime, take care of yourself and have a wonderful day.